Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on a quarter-acre of land, located in the coveted neighborhood of Fort George Heights on the old Stony Hill Road, awaits this beautiful, contemporary designed 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom property, which overlooks the port of Kingston and the surrounding lush vegetated hills from the second and third floor. This spacious fixer-upper is literally 7 minutes from Manor Park, where access to all the amenities you can think of are available. The property was also designed with an additional space with a view on the third floor that can be used for entertainment. If you are looking for a property that allows for your creative impression, want to make your very own, if security, exclusivity, and convenience are important to you, then this is it. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.